Today, I'm going to review honey, what I got from the Honeybee Company. Old friend of mine. He's been harvesting honey for 55 years now. And he's got about, I think they got 9 awards on the last get-together that they had. And a lot of them were gold that he got. I think this was one of them. And also they sell gift tags. Especially this time of year, it's a good idea to buy the gift tags. I'll put the email address on here as well as the website will be on here. So you can order from the website or from the email address itself. So today I'm going to taste test this. Open it first. The smell is normally of honey. You can taste the quality in the smell as such. I don't know if you agree, but I can smell honey in a mile. Phew, got a very, very rich smell, I must admit. Here goes. This is really very nice. Sweet, obviously, when it's honey, but really very nice. Got a strong taste. I'll give us an 8.5 out of 10. Thanks, people. Love you. Until next time.